You know what I haven't done for a while? A hair mask. I think it's about time, since I have been coloring my hair and cutting it a lot. I think I could use a nice chocolate hair mask. I think today is going to get quite messy. As always. When doesn't it really, though? Ooh, my favorite gloves. Now, I've had people ask me, Kat, where do you get these? They're so smooth and you can use them multiple times. I will put a link to these gloves in the video description below. You can wear these, well, let's see. They are reversible. So this side is the textured side, so good for cutting hair. And then I like the smooth side for doing my hair with the fun masks and things, because it's so smooth and shiny. I have no idea where my clear cape went to. So this one is somewhat sheer. This one is from the 50s or 60s. Let's see, can you see me? I can just see one big light, which is you. All right, let's see, I got my spoon. And for the hair mask today, you're gonna think I'm crazy. Well, you probably already do. I'm using this on my hair. So I boiled a lot of hot water and, okay, I boiled water that turned hot because it got boiled. Anyway, so we'll see how liquefied this is. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna put anything in it. I think last time for peanut butter, I think I put in, what is it called? Conditioner. So it's going to be interesting. So it's either gonna turn into one big mat or it will come out. We'll see. This is gonna be quite the adventure. Here, I'll show off this cape real quick. Very pretty. I don't know if you can see any of the pattern, but it matches my eyes. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, it is liquid. Oh, thank goodness. Yes! Okay. I almost started putting this on my hair. Let me get a towel, because I'm thinking I'm gonna need it. Okay, so I've got 2 towels I'm going to ruin. Might as well keep with the blue. I'm thinking I probably should have taken my necklace off. Alas, it will become one with me, with the chocolate. That smells really good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Luckily, it's warm in the garage. Here we go. Whoops. I'll be cleaning a lot later. gonna move my shoes. I'm dripping all over. I smell like candy. I'm going to be very, very tasty. I feel it coming down my head. Of course, we're gonna use the whole container, as always. Oh, it's so warm. Okay, if you try this at home, which I do not recommend, because I did put this in extremely boiling water. I let it sit probably for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, so be very, very careful. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. Let the professional do it. Oh, it's so warm. It smells so good. Oh my God. I've never eaten this before. Oh, it's so good. It's just so good. How much sugar does it have in it? Okay, I can't eat it. It's too much sugar. Oh my goodness. Can't let this go to waste. Gotta try to use all of it. It feels like hair glue. Let's see. Oh. Let's see if we can do a little bit of ASMR. And I probably said it incorrectly. Okay, it's extremely thick, so it's really hard to move my hair now. It's like almost actually glued. Let's see if I can put it all forward. See if we can make it look pretty. Okay, let's see if we can slick it all back. Oh my goodness. It feels like I'm taking my skin and my face and just... I think this is one of the thickest things I've ever put in my hair. Okay, so I think it's time to go underneath the dryer to really get the chocolate to really seep into those hair follicles. I'm gonna take this off just because I don't wanna, oh, I think I feel some going down my face because I don't wanna get my dryer all icky. I am quite warm. It is close to, I think, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. What is it in here? What does it say? Okay, it's probably like 75 degrees Fahrenheit in here. Okay, I'm stuck in here forever now. Okay, this is just my new hand. It's going to be this glove. All right, so let me wipe off what I can. And then I will sit under the dryer, under the hottest setting possible, so I can melt, just like the candy bar on my head is going to. And we'll see how long I can last. Take your bets now. Oh my goodness. And I nearly forgot. I'm gonna put on this processing cap because not only does it match my outfit, but also it's going to keep my hair nice and moist, so that way this chocolate doesn't, well, dry out in my hair. So, although under this really, really hot dryer, it's probably going to help, like, this cap's gonna help keep all the melted chocolate in place and not running down everywhere. But, yeah, so I'm either gonna bake and turn into a chocolate cake, or or continuous melted fudge. Both sound delicious in my opinion. Okay. Whoops, as you see, the hottest setting possible. Right there. Wait. Uh-oh. Yeah. Where I put my hands, since the gloves are still chocolatey and this cake has a lot of chocolate on it. but that the chocolate has melted more. It feels like putty in my hair. Yeah, I can't tell which is hotter, this hood or my head. I'm curious to, the clothes are really hot. I'm curious to feel my hair after all of this has been washed out. So I lifted this up so that way you can see the plastic cap rumble around, but because the chocolate is so sticky, the plastic of this processing cap seems to have melted to my head. And it's so sticky. It's like glue. I can't really lift it. Okay, just a few more minutes because it's getting really hot under there. Too hot. That's really hot. Okay, so I'm gonna call that good just because I am getting covered in sweat. So let's take a look of what my hair looks like. Okay. Okay, so I can move it some. Good. I'm going to drown my hair in hair conditioner. Okay, so I will either include the rinsing out portion either in this video or in a separate video on my Patreon. So I hope you enjoyed this crazy video of me putting Nutella in my hair as a hair mask and then baking underneath the dryer for a little bit. So I hope you had fun, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye.